Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E2384P. 30,000 miles on this, one owner, clean auto check history report, granite crystal metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, including roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt-in telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heating and air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability, no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest, with additional under-seat storage. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.